Good morning, friends. Today we'll learn some English grammar, some basics of English grammar. We'll learn when to use am, is, are. These three words, am, is, and are. When to use them. It is very easy. We just need to remember this small table. This small table we just need to remember. Right? Am we use with I. Is we use with he, she, it. Are we use with we, you, they. Right. We'll take some examples so that you will understand it clearly. I am a student. See, am. I and am. I am a student. I am 32 years old. I am. I am, we can write it like this also. Okay. I am 32 years old. For example, he is 32 years old. She is 32 years old. My sister is 29. That means my sister is 29 years old. My sister means she. She is. My brother is 28 years old, let's say. That means he. He, she is. Steve is ill. Means he is ill. He is on bed. Steve means he. My brother is scared of dogs. My brother means he. He is scared of dogs. My sister is scared of dogs. That means she. It is 10 o'clock. It is. It is 10 o'clock. You are late again. We can write like this also. You are. We can write separately or we can write together like this. You are. They are late. You are late. We are late. Not you is or we is. You are late. Anne and I are good friends. See here, it is not I am good friends. It is Anne and I. Anne and I. That means we. Anne and I together we have to read. We have to take them together. Anne and I. That means we two. Anne and I. So that becomes we. These two together will become we. So we are good friends. You are good friends. It is not Anne and I am good friends. Please remember this. This is very important. Many people make this mistake. Anne and I. That means we are good friends. Your keys are on the table. You know, it's not you. See, you are your keys. Your keys is not about you. Your keys means they. Your keys are bunch of keys. Your pens, your pencils, etc. That means they. Your keys is not about you, it is about they. Okay, your keys means they. They are on the table. I am tired, but I am not hungry. With I am. Lisa is, that means she is. She is not interested in politics. She is interested in art. He is interested in art. She is interested in art, etc. James is not a teacher. He is not a teacher. James is. He is. He is a student. Those people are not English. They are Australian. Those people means they. They are. They are not English. They are Australian. It means it goes with is. It is sunny today, but it is not warm. It is. It is. So we can say I am not also. He is not. She is not. It is not, etc. Similarly, we are not. You are not. Likewise. Right, let's look at some examples now. Some exercises. We have looked at some examples. Let's look at some practice exercises. Look, there, Helen is or am. Which one will it? There, there is Helen. There means she is Helen. This is equal to she is Helen. Right? There is Helen. It is not or am. Right? There is Helen. I am not rich. I and am. Right? Is or are wrong. I am not rich. My brother and I. That means we. It is not I am. My brother and I. Means we are good tennis players. See, we are good tennis players. This bag means it. It is heavy. This bag means it. Right. It is heavy. Emily. Emily is at home. That means she is. Emily means she. She is at home. Her children. That her children means not she. Her children doesn't mean she. Her children means they. Right. Her children means she has four children, five children, whatever it is. Her children means they. They are at school. These bags means they. They are heavy. I am a taxi driver. I am a taxi driver. My sister means she. She is a nurse. Right. Hope you understood when to use am, is, are. Right. It's very easy. You just need to remember this table. I am. He, she, it is. He, she, it is. And we, you, they are. Right. Some things where people make mistakes are, for example, and I. It is not am, they and I are good friends because it means we. Right. Hope you understood this. This is very basic exercise. We'll do more. We'll start with basics and we'll go to intermediate and advanced. Right. All the best, guys. Thank you.